Right. So for people who follow DJ Rick Upnlive, right? Him never two one talk about it, but we have to talk about it because it affects everybody.
No, like it's not affect anybody. It's people where them not a business head and them don't have any manners and no way how to deal with clients because I any idea, you know, if me and you is friend,
yes,
and say for instance, me and Rick and Rasta will par every day, but if me have a pay Rick for do something, it's not friendship anymore. It's business. So once me give my money, I expect you to turn around a service,
right,
and respect me in a business manner.
So let's talk about the back end of it. Do you want to give us the story?
I'll give you the full story. Right. So basically, I approached this young lady. Her name is Renee Palmer because I hide. I approached Renee Palmer. I messaged her. My missus come to me and said she wants a jingle. And she said she likes the look of one you press. This is the Renee Palmer. So I said, okay, cool. Me know her. I had her number, but let me say, you know what? Let me just DM her.
Right.
So I DM her and I said, Renee, I need a jingle. My missus, I left the whole message on my Instagram so they can watch it. So blah, blah, blah. Get this thing done. I didn't even ask her a price. What I messaged her and say, because of the circumstances, as a man, and my missus asked me for something. If she had told me £500, I probably question it, but I would have tried my best to go as close as 500 because I'm getting it for my missus.
Right.
So she told me, I said to her, send me your bank details and send me how much, and I'll pay it. So she sent me a price. She sent me £25, and she said she's offered to give me 3 separate ones. I'm like, cool, that's right. In no time, I sent the money. So that was sent.
Right.
Cool. So 5 days run off. I message her. I'm like, what happened? Did you get the what happened? I didn't get the jingle. She said, bear with her. She's having a little bit of difficulty. I was like, cool. 10 days run off. Message her again. I'm still getting. Let me get the right text. I really want to say the wrong thing. So she's basically giving me a run station. Run. 2 weeks after I messaged her, and I'm like, come on, this is taking a bit now. What's happening? And I'm like, I said to her, it's not even the money. She sent me a text. Let me read what she sent me. So I don't want to tell any lie on the radio. Hold on, let me find the exact.
Let's go to your Facebook page.
Yeah.
But the whole thing kind of upset.
She said, this was the reply to me. So you know I don't own a studio anymore. I have issues with my hard drive. I lost my whole EP. It's not priority that I need to do anything, so I have some manners and respect. You would not deal with another artist this way, or would you talk to a man this way? So you will not be getting any jingle from me. Thanks.
Actually,
jingles are £100. By the way, I was doing you a favor.
Pause. Before we even respond to that, the message I sent prior to that says, it's only been 2 weeks, be patient, as I'm working on projects.
Yeah.
Bro, I've paid you money.
2 weeks.
Hold on
and even if you had hard drive issues, you said the same way you can take up the phone and tell me, say, I have hard drive issues and I must calm down myself.
Yeah.
You could have said, Rick, you know, say, me in that situation here and I'm not going to get the jingle to you at an estimated time. You can bear with me because this is the situation. There's no reason for you to be getting all defensive and rude.
None of manners.
What pissed me off, you tell you if you have some manners.
Exactly. And she's the one that...
You was just being polite and say you walk on because, remember, you know, Renee Palmer, we are DJ, we cut dub all the time. So if me send my money to Jamaica and it take 2 weeks to get my dub, a problem, you know. Because that means them a thief me.
Yeah.
See?
Kind of takes a
so
lot.
you over here as an artist is a jingle, right? And then somebody pay you in advance before you do it. Then you have to tell people, say, you lost the hard drive with the EP. Remember, that is not concerned.
Exactly.
That have nothing to do with the arrangement or deal that you guys made.
Exactly.
Then an idea, come tell him, say, by the way, jingles are £100. Hold on there. Sorry. I'm not going to disrespect you, but Renee Palmer, you don't do enough in the game for kind of mention utter them price there for £100.
And
real and in reality, some of my time when you need to check on yourself. Because an idea, you are still an upcoming act. As the whole of we still are upcoming. So when you come and do this and disrespect each other and try come call
each other them name.
It happens a lot and me just never say. You know how long this happened?
Because it's always somebody may say, you know, all right, you have a nice device, but because when me see that, yes, you know, so you me tell about it. Rick never even discuss it with none of it. Upon Instagram, just as everybody is. I mean, I say, yo. Me I look upon it not even as my virgin, me I look upon it just as an outsider.
Exactly.
And I look and I say,
it is rude.
It's rude.
This is rude and it's wrong. And you should have fixed up herself.
You know what?
I think she needs to apologize.
No,
she should apologize.
You know why?
She should apologize about it.
Let me tell you why me really say anything about it. It's because when me check my WhatsApp, because me realize that me not see her picture no more. She blocked me on WhatsApp.
Right.
So I'm like, is she really taking the mic?
Right.
Because it happened from about a week ago. And me say me not say anything be her because she had try her thing and me not really want to embarrass her and she have a little career what she had try. But it's when she blocked me on the WhatsApp.
That peed you off.
That's what me know. Because me a man like this, me take reputation very serious. And me notice with any artist when come up on live show, when me I deal with them on a professional level. I do not message you. Like after certain hours, I will not message an artist.
We don't do those things.
And call you and try to get in a personal conversation.
Okay.
Business hours only.
Exactly. So me know why you feel like get the wrong idea. Like me I try annoy you, me I
Plus
try look you.
You said it before.
Exactly.
You're a man.
Exactly.
You're a man. So if you deal with a female, that need for know yourself, my
like,
G.
yo,
But I saw you go still. Lesson learned.
And the thing about it is, I'm glad that you posted it because now we're seeing that many other DJs are facing the same issues.
Thing. Exactly.
Like for people who you just bust one day, you do a cover song, and a producer link you for voice something, and you gotta tell him a bag of money when nobody knows your name.
All right. So
you have not put in the work that you need to put in to reach where you need to reach, and you want a bag of money.
Bigger than that.
Bro.
Listen,
sit down.
Her producer, her manager that introduced me to her.
Right.
Prior to this happening, when I didn't even say this to her, no. Right. When she left the radio show here.
Yeah, when she came here.
Yeah.
Right.
You know, we normally check back them and say, yo, brother, your artist. I phoned the guy, and the first word that come out of his mouth was, he doesn't want to do nothing about her again. That's what him tell me the first time.
Listen, you see a lot of them.
And I know he more message me for this as well. He warned me, but sure.
No, you see a lot of them. I'm telling you, like, me's a youth.
Quick
like,
time, yeah?
If
me not really feel the energy, you don't really see me. Some of them that, alright, notice say a lot of artists come through this show. Most of the time they are so, me talk with everybody, but some of them, you see if you're too hype and you feel like you're bigger than your boat and you're bigger than our platform and here and everything here, that means that, yo, it's not the space for you, because an idea, we are doing something for us. As
everybody,
young,
and us alike.
When I say us, I say everybody. I don't mean me, Rick and Rasta. I mean
everybody.
Us. The whole of the young generation and our community, the dancehall community coming up.
We are there.
We are there, and when you try to support it, don't try bash a man and try go on like your thing bigger. And look at it now. Suppose if you was an established artist, we couldn't even text your phone. That me I tell you no, say, them look a warning light. This I know. This is a warning light.
Guys, all we have to do, professionalism. If anybody knows how the members of the Upnlive show work, number one thing on my list is professionalism. Yeah. And if the man them not do it, me make sure so una know say me do it. Yeah. Right? So all that we ask you to do is to show respect to us, because that's all we show to each other. Exactly. That's it.
I will leave it there, so
I will leave it there.
I never hear me say anything else again.
Right.
Close.